Hello, so today I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to do like super fat heavy guns for like slow down shit or just like regular Tearout. Can almost say mandatory because of how distorted it is. Kinda like yvm3 and all those artists that like to push the limits and what's like the threshold of heaviness. So basically I'm gonna talk about this gun in my track. There's this little part here that sounds like this. So I'm just gonna talk about the gun that sounds like this on its own. So that sounds pretty big if you ask me. So there's 4 parts to this gun. One of the reasons why it sounds so big is because there's a lot of things going on. So the first part of the gun is this. Just make sure to remove that. So without effects it sounds like this. What it is basically is just a serum patch, one wavetable. I use this one. You can use every wavetable you want, pretty much. I use this to FM it. They're both 3 octaves down. The first LFO is controlling the position of the wavetable and the FMing. The second one is controlling the volume and the filter. I use the high pass 12. It's controlling those, and it's controlling the drive of the distortion. I put distortion, compression, com filter, and this hyper dimension to make it stereo. So this is how I made this. First track of effects is kind of ruining it. Basically just adding distortion, compressing it to bring out the frequencies for the distortion. A EQ, not removing all the low end, but like 100 Hertz territory. Going on and putting some convolver. I use this one. I like Nimda. It's pretty big sounding. Play with how wet you want it to sound. Put it pretty high. Maybe 30-25% will work for most. Multipass, so basically just multipass distortion. Disperser to distortion. Let me show you like this how it sounds. So this is distortion. So another OTT. Another EQ. Another distortion. Reverb. And another EQ. This is going to this. Ruining it even more, so it's just EQ. After the EQ there's this. I love this plugin. It's basically what's giving it that whip sound. Play with this, like play with crazy pattern. It's giving you a different sound every time. Just turn the depth up and put it on high. Suit. So this is pretty much it for this. For the sub is pretty crazy on its own. So let's see the sub. Yeah, it sounds like shit on its own, but without effects it sounds like this. So what I did for the sub is I did it on viral, took a sine wave, bend it 3 octaves down. There's a pitch bend going on in the second envelope. White noise, that's getting high passed right here. That's pretty much all is going on here. Distortion literally to max, and this is just removing the low mids. First, what's going on is I'm making it louder. This to remove low mids and a little bit of the high end. I'm putting OTT on my sub. Yes, judge me, but it sounds good. So basically what I did is put the depth down, put all the upward compression on, and control click this and put it down till it sounded good. Distortion, a little bit of bias going on. Another EQ that's removing low mids and too much high end. Another one that's doing pretty much the same thing. Another one that's doing this, and it's getting. This is going into this. So the group with the other stuff, I'm gonna show it after I showed everything from the gun. The transient. So transient is pretty straightforward. So for the transient, it's pretty much just white noise. So it sounds like this on its own. It's literally just white noise going into this. It's maxed out. Make sure this is hitting at the good moment in sync with your gun. There's a little bit of calm filter going on, but not more than that. This is all the way up, by the way. This is going into this. So what this is doing, EQing it to make it like stupid loud. This snap head thing to make it like a parallel convolver thingy. This to make it zap, and this to add like some tone in the transient. Another EQ. It's literally doing nothing, so I'm just stupid. This is the same patch of freeform phase that was in the gun, so make sure to copy it, and it's exactly the same. This is just removing the sub. So now we got all this. Let's talk about the last element. So the last element is this. This is literally just a snare. It sounds like this without effects. So what I did basically is just convolver, EQ, stereo, just making sure it's not too wide. This is controlling the pitch. This is just an EQ, it's removing the high end. And this is pretty much all that's going on. Oh no, I forgot. This is going into the group. So basically the sub is going into the group and the gun is going to the group. This is not going into the group. This is directly going to the premaster. So what's in the group? Without everything, it sounds like this. So it's making it super big. Basically what I'm adding is a wave shaper, just clipping it and making it louder. EQ that's doing nothing. It's pretty much cosmetic EQ. You already know how it is. Distorting everything, making the low end mono. And just ducking the low mids a little bit. So everything is here for this gun. I don't know if I should show the premaster, but without the premaster it sounds it's already pretty good. With this, basically I'm just fucking destroying it with Saturn. Copy those settings if you want. I'm removing like this part of the high end, kind of boosting those, and I'm gonna gatekeep this, but yeah, you have pretty much like 85% of the work that I showed you right now. So this is how I did this part. Yeah. God, fuck. This was a crazy voice crack. So this is how I did this. The wall, heavy, dubstep, yvm3, whatever you want to call it thing. So it's pretty much it. See ya.